Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know see one and only Atafa the Press. Well, hey, I have a few things I need to cover today, my wisdom warriors, because I see Horace Chang him come out and I say him not run out of ideas to fight crime. Wanna ever hear something like that go so? Horace Chang come out and I say, we are not out of ideas to fight crime. With nearly 200 murders since the start of the year, my viewers and subscribers, in the country of Cornwall, despite the rollout of several initiatives, National Security Minister Horace Chang, him indicate that it will take some time to break the back of crime. The situation is not out of control and we have not run out of ideas. Una hear what this man here tell we say? How we ma talk to? A Jamaican people ma talk to? Una hear what Horace Chang say? Una see how much crime and violence is going on in the country. And Horace Chang is coming out and saying them not run out of ideas to fight crime. So how you not come up with no ideas in the first place? Una not come up with no ideas. So how you feel say una not run out of ideas? But una not have no ideas. Make it make sense. My wisdom warriors, when I see this, I say, I have to come pop tour go no. Una can't imagine? Una can't imagine Horace Chang come out and I tell the Jamaican people, say, him no run out of ideas to fight crime. But he never have no ideas in the first place. The only thing they come up with is Zozo all over, but Zozo not help. Zozo is not helping. When the Zozo them out, more KILLING happen. More KILLING happen, my viewers and subscribers. So where am I talk about? Wanna stamp up the comment section and make me know there, because I don't understand Horace Chang. Horace Chang, have you seen how much people dying? Have you seen how much people dying? You see that? Or una not say good? Or una not say good? You see how much people is losing their life? Horace Chang. Somebody tag him for me there, my wisdom warriors. Horace Chang, you see how much people is losing their life each day, and you have the audacity to come out and I tell we say, you not run out of idea. You not run out of ideas. You can't imagine I wanna have the situation under control. Which situation you have under control? Crime and violence, you not have that under control. Crime and violence is out of control in the country. Stop lying to the people. The people they end up on the ground and they know what go on. Every day KILLING happen. Every single day. Not one day no pass. I you know see something in the article. So what you talk about? What you talking about? You have the situation under control? Horace Chang, you have situation and my wisdom warrior, seriously. I can't understand these people. Me telling about them. Me telling you about these people. They only come out and boast and show off and lie to the people them. The man said they have it under control. Me box cover. Who no believe say crime is under control? Who believe that? Who believe Horace Chang? Who no believe say crime is under control, my viewers and subscribers? My wisdom warriors, talk to me. Who no really believe say Horace Chang and Andrew Holness have the crime under control? Because he come out and I run off him out say the situation is not out of control and we have not run out of ideas. Add that into the article. Remember saying people are lose their family, left, right and center. And you go down to Hanover and I tell the people them say, you don't run out of ideas. But you don't have no ideas in the first place. There is no ideas from when we are asked if you come up with the crime plan. You not come up with no crime plan. So how dare you come and tell the people? Remember the people, them family, them are DEADOUT, Remember say are the people them family are DEAD out. You understand me? My wisdom warrior, sometimes I have to spell out them type of words. You know, yes, if I not spell it out, YouTube, you understand me, no want no problem really. Because when me talk too much about the KILLING, it seems like it affect my channel. You understand in a certain way. So sometimes I not really want to call out the word, me have to spell it out. I don't know what the thing said. Yeah, who know. Who know, just know. But on a serious note, Horace Strong, you have to come up with a crime plan. A long time we are asked for a crime plan. I know we not hear nothing. And I me alone ask for it. A whole heap of people. A whole heap of bloggers asking for it. Actually, the bloggers, them say I stand up for Jamaica. On a serious note. And them ask, come up with a crime plan. You know, you say, you know, run out of ideas. But there is no ideas put forward in the first place. The only thing we see is Zozo all over Jamaica. That's the only thing we see, Zozo all over Jamaica. And anyway you put the Zozo, them more KILLING happen. So we do not understand. I do not want you. I do not appreciate you. I am not pleased with you coming out and telling lies. You need to stop that. Because you don't have nothing under control. Every single thing is out of control. You don't take people life a joke. That's why you don't come out and can chat these rubbish and people not running away. Anytime you notice, me say it all the time, anytime you see a family member, DEAD, yeah? You see the whole of them start run around like headless chicken. Same thing with Favour Williams. She go down a Granger and do the same thing. Horace Strong then go down there and do the same thing. Anytime, then I put something in place, you know, my wisdom warriors. So crime can reduce, you know. You understand? You have to put something in place. You have to analyze the situation and you put something in place. This is what you have to do. But then I have nothing to put in place. That is the thing. Then I know ideas. You understand? So when the incident them happen now, then I see them a run around. What that do? After the KILLING take place, I uno go now, I run up and down. What that do to the people them? Seriously, what that do? Me not understand. Cause una no counselor. So what that do? It no make no sense. That means I saw it happen. I saw the KILLING happen. I saw now go there. And then that's it. Then it happen again. Then you don't have no ideas. You don't need to find a plan. Come up with a crime plan. This is not right. Our Jamaican people is not safe. You understand me? And you need to do something about it. My wisdom warriors, when you hear about the KILLING of 5 men in 3 separate incidents between Thursday, midday, and Friday morning. Yeah? And Horace Strong came out and said all these things down in Hanover. Down in Hanover, you know, you go visit, you know, the aftermath that happened in Hanover with the KILLING of the 5 men. You go down, they go tell the people, them say, crime is not out of control. Seriously. Then now, you have a just imagine, my wisdom warriors, you have a family member with it. And then now, security minister can't tell us, say, crime is not out of control. So if crime never out of control, how all these things happening, it just not make no sense. It just not make no sense. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this and tell me how you feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. So when me looking at the article, my wisdom warriors, at this me buck up in JCF dismisses baseless claims. One of its deputy superintendent is YouTuber, which is called Sir P. So the Jamaica Constabulary Force has labeled as false and baseless claims being made on social media that Deputy Superintendent of Police Troyville Hawthorne is the individual behind the popular YouTube channel. The views that are expressed in this video is not my views. The views that are expressed in this video is not my views. So this is the reason why I use allege, because I am not sure. Okay? So my wisdom warriors. So as I said, it is alleged one of them government people there. Yeah? Some to do with the JCF. This is what I heard. You understand? So right now, the JCF, them upset them. But what I'm saying, I didn't hear that it was DSP Hawthorne. No, I didn't hear. And I don't believe it's that person anywhere. I heard it's someone else. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. But you know me not gonna talk about that. Anyway, me just tell you now what me see in the paper. If this never come out in the paper, I won't talk about it. So it is alleged that whosoever is behind that channel is government officials. This is what I heard. It is alleged. This is not my views. I just make people them know what out in the roads thinking on the street. Anyway, you can't tell me what you think, you can't tell me what you hear, you can't storm up the comment section. I was shocked when I see this in the article. I'm like, what the hell is going on? I never heard about this one. I never heard this man name called, this deputy superintendent name called. I never hear that. You understand me? So I don't believe it is this superintendent. But then again, who knows who? You understand? Nobody not gonna know who is who. Nobody can tell. Nobody can tell. Even if I him, we still not gonna know. You understand what I mean? We still don't know, my wisdom warriors. So that. Anyway, I want to tell me what to think about it. Teacher accused of sexually assaulting minor granted bail. A St. Catherine-based educator who allegedly sexually assaulted an underage girl has been granted $500,000 bail. My wisdom warriors, me tell you I have to spell it out. Alright? Me tell you I have to spell it out. For some reasons, I just have to. Me can't call out the word, as I said before, as I mentioned earlier. Alright. The reason why I have to bring this up. A teacher accused of doing such thing to a child. Granted bail. Granted bail. When I hear that, granted bail. Why? The question is why? The question is why, my wisdom warriors. Me telling us our children are not safe. And them have it, them release the SOR. You know what I talk about? The offender registry. Yeah? Want just read between the lines. They say they release that in the school. Every school know about that. But still, we children are not safe underneath the teacher them hands. Our children are still not safe. So why they not release the SOR, the offender registry? Why they don't release it, my wisdom warriors? I do not understand. And then now you have these teachers now, I do all these type of things to people, pitney. And look, this a person a grant bail. This is what I try to show you. So this government, they only protecting them. They not protect us. This is why I come and show you these things. How somebody for do something like that and not grant them bail. Like me just not understand. This is why things now get better. This is why these people kept doing it, because una keep them name safe. Una keep everything a secret for them. You understand? Una need to make them name public. I better say, if una make that register public, no for them sitting at the stop. I bet you, my wisdom warriors. Me I tell you no man, when I see this, I say, I have to share this with you now. Una can't imagine? Una can't imagine a teacher? Huh? Una can't imagine a teacher do something like that to our children and then grant him bail. When it come to them something, you know, me notice that they grant them bail all the time. Yes, and let them go. I don't know what is wrong with this court system, but something alright, my wisdom warrior. I don't understand why they keep protecting these animals. Animals you call them. I do not know why. But anyway, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, remember, you can WhatsApp me only. The WhatsApp number I go there in the comment section. Also, guys, you can follow me on TikTok and IG. The link I go in the comment section. If you want to support my movement, you can do so by blessing up my PayPal. The link I go there in the comment section. Bless up again. One love.